All right, what we're looking at here is an immersive audio sectional, where the amplifier will be in the left arm facing piece. All the audio is going to come from that piece. That's where your amp is, and then we're going to show you how to connect everything across. Notice how we left the backs off. That's an important step on delivery. You want to leave the backs off, and I think the easiest thing to do is leave them disconnected too, so you see the gaps in between each piece. Once we get all the wiring done, we can connect those pieces like a normal sectional. So what we're going to do is step behind. This is the right arm facing piece. Everything back here is color coded. You've got your audio wires, you've got air massage, everything's color coded. So as you can see, we've got all of the color coded wires connected. So we're still not going to put these backs on. We did that first. We did it all the way around the sectional. So any wires that need a matching pair from the back to the bottom of the seat coming out of the back, we've connected those. So this is the important reason why we're leaving the backs off. There's an audio wire that we're going to run it through the console. So the console has a large zippered area. The audio wire looks like such. It's 20 pins. You're going to run that through the console. Don't connect it to the console. Into the next piece. And what you're looking for is anything with this kind of a harness or junction box. We're going to connect it into that. And we're going to be very careful when we connect this. We don't want to damage any of these pins. So line it up. Feel for resistance. If you've got resistance, you're not lined up. It should go in easy if you've got it lined up properly. So we've got one going in to that side. This is the armless chair. I'm over here on the wedge. I'm going to put the same universal connector into the other side. That universal audio wire is running across. It's already connected in the wedge. You don't have to connect anything, but just make sure everything feels snug and secure, doesn't pull out. The audio wire continues to go across. You've got another junction box here, universal audio wire going in to one side and then out the other, all the way to the right arm facing. This is your power supply cord that will run all the way to the wedge and terminate on each side, so you do not have to worry about running power to the wedge, because it'll get its power from the other side.
You also may need to switch these two pigtails. So you've got a female to female here. If you do need to switch that, the male side is on the opposite end, so you can just reroute it to the other side.
So we are all connected now. At this point, what I like to do is test the audio to make sure everything sounds good. And what I'm listening to is, I'm listening here at the headrest area where there's speakers in the headrest, and then I'm putting my hand on the seat to make sure I feel the vibration. We're going to test the audio and make sure everything's working all the way across. We've already connected all the wires. We're going to take the wireless remote. On the top, you've got two buttons. The first one is the on and off. You'll press and hold on off to turn it on. Press and hold. And then you'll press and hold mode, and that is your Bluetooth pairing button. So pressing and holding, the light will start flashing blue. That means it's in pairing mode. We're going to find Moto Immersive Audio on a phone.
Connected.
Now we're connected. We'll play some audio and we'll just go across. Feel the seat, listen to the headrest, listen to the outside arms, make sure everything sounds and feels good. 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 We're good here. So we're good all the way around. Now I can put the backs on and connect the pieces. So this is why it's important to leave the backs off on delivery. Make sure everything works first. That way when you leave the home, your customer can't say it's not working. You tested it. Disconnect your phone when you leave. You tested it out. Everything was working. You have made a successful delivery, and then put everything together. Put the backs on, connect the pieces.